Amazon Eero Pro Mesh Wi-Fi System, 1 Pro plus 2 beacons. Whole home Wi-Fi system. The Amazon Eero Pro Mesh Wi-Fi System, 1 Eero Pro plus 2 Eero beacon, replaces the traditional Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi extender, and internet booster by covering a 2 to 4 bedroom home with fast and reliable internet powered by a mesh network. Eero second generation. With the most intelligent mesh Wi-Fi technology and powerful hardware, the Eero second generation Wi-Fi system is 2x as fast as the original Eero Wi-Fi. Backwards compatible with first generation Eero products. Wi-Fi extender. The Eero beacon is a full-fledged Wi-Fi access point that simply plugs into standard outlets and easily extends your Wi-Fi connectivity to every device with more reliability than the standard Wi-Fi booster. Mesh network, powered by proprietary TrueMesh technology, the Eero Mesh Wi-Fi network leverages multiple wireless access points to create an incredibly dependable internet experience, all on a single mesh Wi-Fi system. Quick and easy setup. Replacing your old Wi-Fi router has never been easier than with the Eero Pro Mesh Wi-Fi system. Setup takes minutes and the companion mobile app makes managing your home Wi-Fi simple and intuitive. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.